Hello, I'm Brenny.
And I'm Delaney.
This is 4 Minute Friday Fun. And what are we going to talk about this week?
Go Formative.
Ooh, Go Formative.
Yeah.
Does that have to do with formative assessments?
Yeah, real-time data.
Oh, good stuff.
Yes.
Good stuff.
Yeah.
So Go Formative, there is a free version and paid version. Don't pay the money for the paid one.
Not worth it.
You get enough with the free one.
Yes.
It's a tool to check for formative assessments. So to gather information about how students are doing, you can use it lots of different ways as an assignment, a bell ringer, exit ticket, or in the middle of a lesson.
Absolutely.
And there's lots of UDL connections too.
Yep.
So if you use it at the beginning of a lesson, it could be something for recruiting interest. At the end of the lesson, check for assessment. So kind of gauging their effort and persistence, options for action expression. There's lots of different things you could do even when you're answering a specific question in Go Formative, which is why it's fun. Yeah. We'll show you one of the fun question types that you can answer with. And it's always really entertaining to see what kids come up with.
Yes.
I was just showing Delaney some of my examples from when I was in the classroom. And
super funny.
Quite comical.
Yeah.
So let's try building one.
Okay. Right. So we go to new formative, right? And you can title it whatever you like. We had a request from a longtime viewer, shout out to Bill, for Daniel Boone, which we know close to nothing about. So this is going to be fun.
Yeah, we're going to learn a lot.
So you can add a question. And do you kind of want to just quickly talk about what these different options are?
So the add content side of things are resources that you can have your students look at before they answer the question.
Yes.
So it's kind of like a resource to build their understanding, and then they show what they know. So I don't know, maybe we can just kind of leave that alone for now.
You can just dig into it on your own.
Yeah, I'll let you explore that one. But this is where all the fun stuff happens. So adding a question is basically what you want your question to look like and how you want your students to answer. So you have your general, essay, multiple choice, multiple selection, and all that fun stuff. The really cool one, though, is the show your work question, which I think is more geared towards math, maybe having students show their work on a math problem, but you can use it in any subject area.
Absolutely.
And that's because on a show your work question, kids can insert a picture from Google or from their Google Drive. They can draw, so it's kind of like a dry erase board.
Super awesome.
Which is the fun one.
Yeah.
They can even just use it as a text box. So that's why I like it. It's kind of a UDL tool.
Yeah, they can use it however they want. Yeah, perfect. So let's do this one.
All right.
And then our question is just going to be, who was Daniel Boone?
Perfect.
Does that work for you?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. And if you put standards in, you can tag them here. We just don't have that done here. Okay. So from here, what do we do next?
You could set points on it if you want to.
Yeah.
And you can pick the type of assignment. I usually don't even get super specific on this.
Yeah.
But we'll just do that as a warm-up.
Yeah. Perfect.
It's the beginning of a lesson. We'll see what they know. So whenever you're ready to send this out to people, across the top here, you could also add pictures if you wanted to and change the color, but we're just going to leave this the way it is.
Yeah.
Assign and share is how you can share it.
Perfect.
Now, if you have it set up to where you already typed in all of your class names, you can do that and they get a specific code to answer. If you do guest students, then what you do on that is you just give them this code. That's the one I always do because I had 150 students. I didn't want to have to go through and type in all of them.
All of your students'
Maybe I
names.
was lazy, but this is just the easy way of doing it. And you have options on how you can share it. You can just tell them to go to goformative.com, use the code, or you could do direct link, and this takes them specifically to it, or you could embed it. Maybe on your LMS, it's learning.
Very cool.
Along those lines.
Yeah.
So we're just going to use the code. And copy that. We have it open in a student view. You enter our name today. We're going to be Daniel Boone. We're going to talk about ourselves.
Might as well go big, right? Okay. So who was Daniel Boone? So show your work. So this is what comes up. You have your drawing options over here. You can make shapes. There's your text box, images. Ooh, what does this one do? Oh, it's a selector. Is that what?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. And then erase. So let's, because I don't know.
Oh, we have to save one of them.
Oh, so if I had an image saved, I would put it on there. But since I don't, we are going to
we're going to be artsy.
Try to draw him. So let's see here. He was a man, so we will make a stick figure here because I am not an art teacher and I do not claim to be an art teacher.
Well, drawing on a device is kind of different.
Yeah, it's hard. And then he always wore that hat, right? But I don't have brown, so I'm just gonna work with what I have here.
It's coonskin.
Yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
that looks so
there we go. It's really great, I know.
Yes.
So
I love it.
This is Daniel Boone that I know.
He looks great.
So then I'll just click done. And as the teacher, as this is happening, where few responses, it's just not happening now. Oh, there we go. You can see it as the teacher, and you could pull it up, and
you can actually watch them draw it real time.
Yes, so that would have been fun to watch me do that. Yeah, for sure. And then you can give them a score on a sliding scale. I'm going to give myself a full point for it.
You did a really good job.
Why not?
You didn't have to fill in this hat, but you did.
So there.
Yeah. It's a great tool. It's fun.
Yes.
And it's really entertaining.
Yes.
And honestly,
I'm sure.
The kids love to draw.
Yes.
That's the tool they gravitate to most of the time.
Absolutely.
For some laps.
Yeah. Perfect. Is there anything else you want to share?
Thank you for the suggestion for Daniel Boone.
Yes, absolutely. Okay. Have an awesome Friday.
See ya.